So just right now I received my order from Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A is a USA based website where you get everything for $1. That's right, everything for $1. With shipping to India, it comes about $2 per item, and I ordered about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. So let's go ahead and show you what they are. The first thing I am really super excited about is this Santee eyeshadow. These are the colors. Oh, yeah, if you can see them. Yes, that's better. So I have swatched them, as you can see. So this one is a bit shimmery. This is very light. It can work as a transition color or even a base. This again is a bit shimmery, and I'm running out of fingers. There's this one, and then these are really smooth and very easily glide, and they are not having no fallouts, and they are really good. This is the last one. I particularly like this too. This color is bit bright. I think I don't know how much I'm going to use this one, but other than all the colors are just gorgeous, especially this one. This is perfect for night time. It came with this wand, which I don't think anybody uses. Okay, the next thing are this adhesive lash adhesives. They are waterproof, and what, I don't know, I'll have to let you know once I watch them. Just a minute. The next thing I ordered is this eyebrow what do you call, again, razors, eyebrow razors. I have a fear of threading. I don't generally thread my eyebrows unless I really need them to thread to them, but I'm open to shaving. I've been shaving my legs ever since I started wearing skirts, but nothing has happened. Like all those myths that if you shave they grow coarser, or if you shave they go bigger, all up that just myth. So I think I am really going to love these 3. Next thing I got is these spoolies or mascara wands. Again, there are 10 of them, 10 for $2 if I count the shipping. So you can see how beautiful they are. Now I keep confusing where my hand is and where the camera is. Yeah, and as you know, I'm really new to this. And the next thing is this mango flavored sugar lip scrub. This again is really good. If you can see this, yeah, you can see now see how easily it removes. See, I'm really going to love them, and it smells like fruity. It smells just like fruity. Hi, so the other thing I forgot to mention was this collagen face mask. Ever since I heard of face masks, I've been dying to try them out, but they're really expensive in a website. This I got for about $2, which is, I don't know today's rate, but I guess it will be not more than $140. But the same things, I've seen this company in Indian website also. You get it for what, nearly 200 or 300. So I think it's cheaper if I get it, from. I have an idea to try them out in strawberry.net. They have a very good collection of mask sheets, especially the Etudes one, and they have those 10 packs one which I'm really interested in ordering. So let's see how that goes. And then there is this clean color eyeshadow primer. This is going to be my first eyeshadow primer, so I'm really excited about using them. It looks like a concealer, if you can see. It comes in a wand like this, so it will be easy to apply, and this is how it looks. And lastly, I got this beautiful hairband. Let's look at the flowers, aren't they cute? I'm most excited to wear them. I don't know if I will wear it here, but I'm certainly going to wear it in my holiday, upcoming holiday, because if you're not funky and cool in your holidays, when are you going to be funky and cool? So, if I remember correctly, all these came to about $17, which I paid through PayPal because they don't take any other kind of transactions, and it's not good idea to pay through credit card when you are shopping in a a non-Indian based website, because when you pay by credit card, you have to, whether you're paying through Visa or MasterCard, you have to go through verifications, which you can't if you're using them in a foreign website, which is why I prefer paying through PayPal. If you ever like to ask me any questions regarding how to open a PayPal account, like how exactly a PayPal account works, ask me. I'll make a video for that. So that's all for now. I guess I'll be doing one more regarding the other package that I received today, which was from Stay Quirky. So after a drought of videos, there are going to be I'm going to bore you with 2 or more videos in within some few days. Thanks for watching. Bye.